Hello everyone and welcome to the 5th lesson in our series of ukulele videos. Today we're going to be learning how to play an F major chord and learning the song F Major March, which is, you guessed it, from Ukulele Magic, available from all good music stores. F Major March. Okay, I'll show you what we're doing in a second. So first of all, just remember rest position, and we've got playing position. Oops, dropped my book. Going into playing position, and F major is very similar to A minor. So first of all, we'll start by putting our second finger in the second fret of the G string, which is the A minor chord. Okay, so don't strum anything yet. Just put your left hand finger, number 2, in that position, second fret of the G string, and now, if you can do this, can you give your Peter Pointer a bit of a wiggle with your left hand there? We need to engage Peter Pointer, and we need to push Peter Pointer on to the first fret of the E string. Yes, folks, there's 2 fingers involved in an F major chord. We need to use them both. Okay, so second finger where an A minor goes, first finger goes on the first fret of the E string. Okay, so we should have those 2 fingers in place without pressing any of the other string, or without touching any of the other strings. And you stay where you are. I'm just going to show you again my thumb position on the neck of the ukulele, not bunched around the top there or not at the front, but behind, and that just gives you something to grip against. Okay, so we've got those 2 fingers pressed down. Now, if you are playing those strings correctly, with those fingers nice and arched, you should have this sound. To try? Beautiful. That's an F major chord. So it's not too tricky. It's a little bit harder than an A minor because you've got twice. Oh, you're hurting there.
Yes, my fingers are hurting.
Okay, that might happen. But if fingers do hurt, just give them a little wiggle, blow on them like this. Okay, and you'll have those grooves on your fingers as well, but they do disappear. They're not permanent. Okay, so second finger on the second fret of the G string, first finger on the first fret of the E string. And the song to help us remember our F major chord is called F Major March. I'm going to sing it for you first, and you can join in as well if you want. Playing position.
We're playing.
We're playing F. Oh yes. We're playing F. Oh yes. Finger number 1 and finger number 2, using them together, see what you can do. We're playing F. Oh yes. We're playing F. Oh yes. First fret on the E string, second on the G, using them together, strum along with me. We're playing F. Oh yes. We're playing F. Oh yes. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We're playing F. Oh yes. And stop. Wunderbar. That's the F major march. We are playing F. And does anyone want to play F again? I take that as a yes. Let's go from the top. Playing position. Make sure your ukulele's in the correct position here, not sagging down and not underneath your chin. Just in the right position. It's the Goldilocks position. Not too high and not too low. Ready and go. We're playing F. Oh yes. We're playing F. Oh yes. Finger number 1 and finger number 2, using them together, see what you can do. We're playing F. Oh yes. We're playing F. Oh yes. First fret on the E string, second on the G, using them together, strum along with me. We're playing F. Oh yes. We're playing F. Oh yes. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, we're playing F. Oh yes. Have fun with your F major march. Bye.